Hello and welcome. I have a very dire living situation and I thought I'd take you along as I try to clean up. So basically, my house is a mess. I recently took a holiday, went home, and since I've come back, everything is just everywhere because I haven't properly unpacked. And before I went, I had a moving situation, like I had to move for a short while. So everything was basically in boxes, and I've been living out of boxes for a while. So it's just too overwhelming and cluttered. I need to declutter, and I thought I will take you along as I do it. It will probably take an entire day, so most of it would be fast forward, but let me just show you what it is at the moment. So you see, it's just a lot of clutter, and I need to organize this so I could live properly in this space. Some of it might just remain in boxes because we don't have a really big kitchen, and a lot of extra spices and stuff have to stay in a box in my room. So I'm not really sure what I'll do about that, but I ordered a bunch of organizing boxes and stuff from Amazon to arrange things in pieces, and let's see how well I do. I've never done this before, so organizing a house is a first for me. Previously, I had a lot of storage space where I lived with a lot of shelves and shelving units and everything, and a large inbuilt storage cupboard, so I could just keep things there. But here I need to make use of space. I mean, it's a big room to be fair, but it doesn't really have organized storage spaces, so I need to do that. And I have a lot of books, but not a lot of bookshelves. So let's see what I get along with it. Yeah, let's see what happens by the end of this video. Hopefully it will be less cluttered by then. Hi again. So it's been about 2 hours since I started. It's not done, of course, but I've got a lot of my clothes sorted, and at least my wardrobe is sorted. The extra clothes that are still lying around that I wouldn't be wearing until summer, which God knows when it will arrive in the UK. So I'll just pack those in boxes and then find a way to sort through those. And then I'll get on to my shelves and emptying the boxes that contain books. So yeah, I'm just stopping now for lunch because I'm really hungry by now, and then I will probably continue after that. So just a quick look on how it looks now. So my bed is all clear and most of the clothes are now in their place. I know it still looks messy, but it's just organizing through boxes now. And the clothes that you still see outside are the ones that I will put in a laundry bag because they need to be washed. Everything that was washed has now found its place, but the things that weren't washed or required just storing away because I haven't like decided what I'm doing with them are still outside, and I will then chuck them in a laundry bag just to be sure everything is washed. So yeah, I'll catch you after lunch. Hi again. It's 2 hours after lunch, and I've managed building this storage unit that I bought off Amazon and put clothes in the bags that I won't be wearing in the next few days or weeks. There's still a bit of organization left. I've done a bit of the shelves for the books, but it appears I have way too much of crap, so it will take some time organizing. But just wanted to update you that I have finally managed building that storage unit, and it's coming along. I just don't know where to and what to put in places, so it's a bit random until such time that I finally find some inspiration to set it up nicely. I'll keep you updated. Hello again. It's now around 7 p.m. and I've been at the cleaning task all day. So surprise, surprise, there's still quite a bit left, but I'm going to call it a day. It's been enough. I haven't even changed out my pajamas all day, and yeah, I think I've done enough for one day. I just want to promise myself that I wouldn't ever let it grow so much, and clean regularly. This is actually not just cleaning, it's stuff that was in boxes since I moved, and yeah, just never got done. So the thing is that our college was redoing some windows and structures, so we had to pack all our belongings and move somewhere else temporarily. So once that was packed, like everything, literally all the shelves, cupboards, everything had to be packed in boxes and moved to one side of the room so that workers could come here and do this stuff. So it never got unpacked, and it just got out of hands once it was packed. And then I went home, so it just kept growing. And yes, I've tried my best to do it apart from the kitchen stuff and my desk drawers. I am not going to tickle that monster today, but let me show you what I've managed. And if you have any ideas that you think I could use to make this room look better, but first just maybe have a look at what I've done so far. So yeah, these are 2 bags worth of crap, recycling, and the black one is non-recycling, which I'll just go downstairs and throw. This is some miscellaneous kitchen items that I still don't know where to put. I think I've done quite a good job, and if you have any other ideas, please let me know. And let me know what you think. I personally think, like, living here in this room, that my room looks already much bigger and much cleaner because I removed most of the boxes. I just have 2 boxes to sort through, and everything now has its specific place. I mean, almost everything. So I feel the space already looks much bigger now that it's not filled with boxes. Let me know what you think, and once it's all clean, hopefully in the next weekend or so, um I'll give you an update or room tour or whatever. Just let me know what you think about it. See you. Bye bye.